Overwhelmed? Let's discover some stress management secrets for parents. Today I'm going to talk about an important topic that affects every parent, maybe every person at some point in life, that is stress. Specifically, I'll discuss on identifying common stresses and recognizing how stress impacts our parenting. As parents, we juggle with many responsibilities from managing work and family to ensure child's well being. It's no surprise that we often feel overwhelmed. But recognizing the source of our stress and understanding its impact on our parenting is crucial. Let's dive in. First, let's identify some common stresses that parents face. These can include number one, work related stress, balancing job responsibilities and family time. Second could be financial pressure, managing household expenses and planning for the future. Third, health concerns, dealing with personal health or someone in the family. If there is a family health issue. Fourth, time management, struggling to find time for everything. Fifth, child behavior, handling tantrums, academic issues, or social challenges. Sixth, relationship strain, maintaining a healthy relationship with your partner. Seventh, social expectations, feeling the pressure to meet societal or familial expectations. So it's important to remember that these stresses are common and you are not alone in facing them. The key is to identify which of these seven out of these seven are most relevant to you and your family. Now let's look at how stress can impact our parenting. Stress can affect us in several ways, right? It includes first, emotional reactivity. When we are stressed, we might become more irritable or impatient. Second, it decreases our patience. There is a decreased patience. Small issues can seem overwhelming. Third, impaired decision making. Stress could cloud our judgment. Fourth, reduce quality time. We may struggle to be present with our child. Despite of sitting with them, we won't be able to be present there. Fifth, negative communication. Increased stress can lead to more conflicts and less effective communication with everyone around. So recognizing these impacts is the first step towards mitigating them. Before managing, identify. When we understand how stress affects us, we can take proactive steps to manage it better. So before going on to the stress management strategies, let's understand what's the benefit for the children who have stress-free parents. Right? So first benefit is emotional stability. Children feel more secure and emotionally stable in a calm environment. Second is, if you are a stress-free parent, there will be better behavior. Reduced stress in parents often leads to fewer behavioral issues in the children. Third, higher self-esteem. Children thrive in supportive and stress-free environments, boosting their self-confidence. Fourth, improved academic performance. A positive home environment can enhance the focus and performance in the school. Fifth benefit is stronger parent-child bond. Less stress allows for more meaningful and positive interaction, strengthening the bond between the parent and the children. So now let's talk about some strategies which will help you to manage stress. Number one, self-care. Prioritize your mental and emotional well-being with activities that rejuvenates you, which gives you joy or which relaxes you. It could be any of your hobby, dancing, singing, painting, reading. Spare some time every day to do that. It helps to release happy hormones, which reduces the stress. Okay. Second is time management. Create a realistic schedule that balance work and family time. Don't do unrealistic schedules. Okay. Third is support systems. Lean on friends, family, or professional support. If you have any of the symptoms which we have discussed in this video, do reach out for help. Fourth, mindfulness practice. Engage in either meditation, yoga, breathing, some kind of soothing activity. Fifth is open communication. Discuss about your stressor with your partner or the individual who you trust. So by implementing these strategies, you can reduce the impact of stress on your parenting and create a more harmonious family environment. So are you ready to become a stress-free and emotionally stable parent? Don't forget to like and share this video with other parents who might benefit from this. For more such videos, subscribe this channel and bye for now.